We want justice.
Justice, justice,
We want justice.
justice, justice,
We want justice.
justice.
Jirikindeng arat chingrum petmen ahoi aputhak Assam Chief Minister aphan Jirikindeng Police Station along pinpur along kapajir kedamtang ni phai thogar ni Jirikindeng along kaddu kabisong kretnar kep chingrum si Karbi Anglong pen Meghalaya adui ahoi aputhak Assam Chief Minister Himanto Biswa Sharma aphan panong si Jirikindeng osi longkidon arindeng pen pinpur along kapajir Bangsu pinpuralo kapajidam nangko gathei bangki somodan arong pusitami Meghalaya government pen don pharo ki thamrong nangkising jiaphan longle nangchira etsi hemrit nangchiking tang lesi bangsu asai nona man pen ington ponang chipua joksi Jirikindeng arat thurpak pen Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma phan pinpuralo panongsi Jirikindeng osi longki teron arideng pipajidam lo Bangso kachisong ponalong thoron chipupe party chipupe song chipupe pin pensi Jirikindeng PWD IB along pen arpu chiteng ponsi give and take policy kroi kre lapen no border solution no rest pu hangtanam ponsi Jirikindeng arong sopi parom phuglo lapen kedamtang ningkan suri sira pharo sirkebra phokebra isianing kana hot Assam sarkar pen Karbi Anglong adui hoi kangsik kaseria tengsi dobenang chipusi pinpur along jongdonlo Laben Meghalaya Sarkar pen Assam Chief Minister atom angbong kachingwaya hot give and take policy alam nilitum rat khoi khre laben khoi tek thi nilitum Meghalaya along ni sitami nangni laben Karbi Anglong along ni sitami masap suta pitek thi pusi ongdung araratum pen ningjirinding
Justice, justice,
We want justice.
justice, justice,
We want justice.
justice, justice.
Sibang signature aku dulu.
Item Karbi Lamed Amai, KCS, Karbi Hilji Ramai, Karbi Honghari Amai, Jirikindeng Sport Association, KSA Jirikindeng Branch, Kermi Pastorate Lisonim Suasong, Mothade Pastorate Lisonim Suasong, All Assam Gorkha Student Union, Amreng Kopali Regional Committee, Archak Farmer Club, Amreng Border Committee, Ahoi Kang Turasong, Kara, SGB Charchim Moja Committee, BJP, SDC, PSSC, Congress. Ahil pen bangso memorandum Honorable Chief Minister Assam aphan kapajir kedu memorandum release lo lapen prabjin pen bangso memorandum palai phan le bori lapen nali pen sundak popusi ning then
Suruh loh sah.
The 19 organization we have appeared and we have coming here means our aim and object is that due to the issuing or the saying of the Assam Chief Minister and the Meghalaya Chief Minister regarding this give and take policy. So we are coming here, we are gathering here that we don't like, we no need this solution. We no need this give and take policy. We do not or we not want to give our land to other, and we don't like also to take other land from a different parts. We need that. According to the census, Assam government in 1951 already passed and already established, already settled this borderline. So, according to this issued or settled borderline, we must have and we must get, and we will be able to live happily on this their homeland. Thank you.
Ustame parti doan cipupe pinpen KSA pen cenglok SDC Congress BJP tapen kapre song tumpen jalang pet pen pini lang sa memorandum ede tum Chief Minister aphan kapanong pi a program thik pon lo kopi porsi ki thik nang ko kalam bang ke helo pinang aning kandulo border alam pen cuma khai pen pusame suluk sudak si dubom lo asilang saka wedet dia phana bang ke nona dihu pustame chingwai pamika nang po la pen pichun ponbek nang po athe ilitum chini pamika harukre sar ke phoke raisi India sorbia teng pen ilitum a border area ke lake ake chok tang busineli chini lase lahai pustame kapichun je phansi pini asong do an pen busame chingrum pet pen lang salam kapichun ya phansi
Jirikindeng pen
Chuning Ri.
Francis Singti Kalbi Daily News.